Have you ever tried to explain something deeply important to you? Your choice, your vision, your way of living, only to feel completely misunderstood. Not argue with, not attack, just met with confusion or laughter. At some point, you realize it's not that they disagree, it's that they can't even see what you are talking about. Zhuangzi understood this problem over 2,000 years ago. It begins with an image so extreme it feels almost unreal. In the Northern Ocean, he says, there's a fish so enormous that no one knows how many miles longer it is. This fish is called Kun, and when Kun transforms, it becomes a bird, Peng. The bird's back is like a mountain. Its wings are like clouds hanging across the sky. When it takes flight, it doesn't flap casually. It rides with the wind, riding a storm, spiraling upward until it reaches a height of 19,000 miles. This is not a metaphor meant to be modest. Zhuangzi wants the scale to be overwhelming. Then come the small creatures, a cicada, a little dove. They laugh. They say, why would anyone fly that high? I just hop from branch to branch. I reach where I wanted to go easily. To them, the giant bird is ridiculous. Its journey looks unnecessary, excessive, absurd. And here is the key point. They are not evil. They are not stupid. They simply live in a different world. This is not about arrogance, not about looking down on others. Zhuangzi is not saying, I'm the giant bird and everyone else is small. He is saying something quieter and much more unsettling. Different lives require different scales, and the scale determines understanding. The cicada is right in its world. The giant bird is right in another. There is no shared language between them. This happens to people constantly. When you think long-term and are judged by short-term minds, when you choose a slower, deeper path and are questioned by those chasing quick rewards, when your values don't fit into the social cycle you are standing in, you try to explain, and the more you explain, the more ridiculous you seem. Not because you are wrong, but because you are speaking from a different attitude. Zhuangzi never tells the giant bird to argue with the cicada. He never suggests that the bird should prove anything. The bird simply flies when the wind is right. Explanation is costly. It drains energy. It pulls you down to the scale where your vision no longer makes sense. Some conversations can only exist by shrinking yourself. And that, Zhuangzi suggests, is a form of quiet self-destruction. The chapter is called Xiaoyao You, often translated as free and easy wandering. But free here does not mean careless. It means not forcing mutual understanding where none is possible, not demanding regulation from those who lack the reference frame, not dragging your wings through shadow air. True freedom is moving at the scale your life requires. He wasn't to teach people to feel superior. He was teaching them to conserve the spirit. Not everyone needs to understand you. Not every word can support you fly. And when the wind comes, the giant bird doesn't explain. It rises. Some people don't disagree with you. They simply can't follow you.